A year and a half ago, my wife and I purchased a one-way ticket to Southeast Asia. I was looking for ways to make money online that could fund our travels while we were abroad. I stumbled across some videos here on YouTube about a business model that piqued my interest called print on demand. Essentially, people were creating their own designs, putting them on products, and selling them online. But the catch was they didn't have to purchase any of the inventory up front, and they weren't doing any of the printing or shipping themselves. Whenever they received an order, the print provider they partnered with would then print their order and send it directly to the customer. Risk-free work you can do from anywhere. It was exactly what I was looking for. I did tons of research on YouTube and read more blog posts than the freckles I have on my arm. I bought a $10 Udemy course to help me get started in the right way. Would I recommend that? Not now, because I teach you everything you need to know for free here on my channel. I'll tell you more about that later. I started this business in our closet. Not kidding, in our closet. This is where it began. I opened shop a year and a half ago and integrated it with my print provider, Printful. I created my first design messing around with Printful's t-shirt maker. This design didn't even sell once, and I laugh at it now, but it was the beginning of it all. I'm where I'm at today because I decided to start regardless of my experience. My wife hopped on board and our first sale came in after 3 weeks of opening. All of a sudden, making money online became a reality. It was a very surreal experience. Some random stranger across the country found our listing and liked it enough to purchase it. It's a really cool feeling, and to this day, I'll never forget that feeling of that first sale. We continued to learn, improve, and implement, and we didn't quit when things got tough. Our shop slowly started to gain momentum and sales picked up. Now this is our full-time income, and we've been able to create the lifestyle that we want by working when we want and where we want. These are some of the places we've been able to go to this past year and a half that we wouldn't have been able to go to if we were tied down to a job somewhere. If you want to know how to open your first shop and start making daily sales, subscribe to my channel because I teach you everything that you need to know for free. There is no perfect time to start, so don't wait any longer. I started in our closet. You can start from wherever you are and with anything that you have going on. Comment down below, this is my year. If you want to start making money online selling t-shirts that you don't have to print or ship yourself, watch this playlist right here, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.